What a time to be alive. Now AI agents can open stores, literally retail stores. A YC-backed company, Andon Labs, developed an AI called Luna and gave it control over a retail store. Not just product recommendations, not just customer support, actual decisions from the scratch. Inventory, pricing, hiring, operations, and that should make it uncomfortable because this is not really a retail story. It's a preview of what's coming up, and AI is moving one layer higher. Not just doing tasks, not just answering prompts, but coordinating work. Real work. Making decisions, job listing, hiring, interviewing them, and directing humans. So yes, we officially entered the phase where humans do the physical work rather than the brain work, while AI start handling more of the management work logic. But here's a twist. It's still broke. Scheduling issues, operational mistakes, then human steps in. Which means the frontier AI does not look like a magic yet. It looks like this: partial autonomy, and humans are coming to clean up. And that is exactly why this story matters. Because the store is not the really product here. The failures are the product. The failures are the data sets that we can learn from. That eventually going to be extremely valuable to train the future models. Also, considering that the retail industry runs with very thin margins, this kind of innovation can really spread out like a wildfire. Every mistake shows where AI still loses the thread. Every correction shows where the human's leverage still matters. That is the real frontier now. And that is the bigger shift that most people are still missing. The AI is climbing the stack from assistant to an operator and a manager. So this is no longer just a productivity story. This is a positioning story. If AI keeps absorbing more of this execution layer, then your edge as a human being cannot just be being good at doing work. Your edge needs to move to higher grounds. Visibility, judgment, taste, distribution, things that makes you a better asset as a human being. And a system that scales beyond your time commitment. So that's why most people one day will consider building automated productized content that sells itself. Because think about it, how do you get to know about a product right now? Through receiving a piece of content, right? So I guess safe to say, product is the content, content is the product. And that is exactly what we're helping to do inside of our personal accelerator program at the Open for Code. We make Silicon Valley grade accelerator support for accessible for everyone, not just for the venture capital backup startup and ideas. Link in the comments and the bio, and consider enrolling and follow for more this kind of contents.